Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and what we have right here is the new Arlo Essential wire-free video doorbell. This builds on the range of Arlo products that are available right now, including their very popular wire-free security cameras. The Arlo video doorbell allows you to see who's at your door and talk to them really easily. It also allows you to see a much wider view. It offers a 180-degree field of view. So basically what you see is a head-to-toe look at the person at your door. So for example, if it's a courier that's delivering a package, you'll be able to see if there are packages at his or her feet. This is handy, especially if you are expecting your packages, and even if you're not home, you'll be able to answer the door and give them instructions. When someone presses the button on the Arlo video doorbell, it's really easy to respond to. It's as easy as answering a phone call. In fact, that's what happens. When that button is pressed, a video call is initiated to your smartphone, so you can see and talk to whoever is at the front door. And if you can't talk, you can also take advantage of the pre-recorded messages available, including one to leave the packages at the door. Competitor products are not so responsive. What happens, someone presses the button, you receive a notification, you press that notification, you wait for the app to start, and then you wait for the notification to come through on the app. By the time you get to the person at your door, they've already gone. I know in my experience, I have used these competitor products. By the time I got to the notification, all I could see was the person walking back up my driveway. I didn't get to it in time. But that's not the case with the Arlo video doorbell. You get actually quite a wide field of view with the Arlo video doorbell. It's a 180-degree field of view, as a matter of fact. So it's a 1-to-1 aspect ratio, so you're seeing a lot more in the image. And when there's a person standing at your door, you don't just see their torso, you see them from head to toe. And this isn't just a video doorbell, it's a security camera as well, and it does record motion. When motion is detected, users can choose to receive a notification to the app on their smartphone. Anyone who purchases the Arlo video doorbell will also receive 3 months free subscription to the Arlo Smart service. The Arlo Smart services includes smart notifications, so it can tell you when various things are detected, like it can tell if a person, an animal, a package or a vehicle is on your property. Arlo Smart also allows you to store up to 30 days of video in the cloud, which you can access through the app at any time. Setting up the Arlo video doorbell takes a matter of minutes. It's a step-by-step process that you can do through the Arlo app. It's basically you connecting the video doorbell to your home network, confirming your password and completing the setup. The Arlo Essential Video Wire-Free Doorbell is available now for $329 Australian dollars.